Hey friends! Keeping a high-quality jump starter kit in your vehicle ensures you're prepared for any unexpected dead battery emergency situation. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car jump starter kits in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Charmil 4000 amp jump starter. This high-capacity emergency tool is a true lifesaver for drivers of all skill levels, providing a massive 4000 amp current that can revive 10-liter gas or 8-liter diesel engines in a heartbeat. It features an incredibly intuitive smart clamp system equipped with traffic light style indicators, which effectively removes the guesswork and fear of incorrect connections for novice users. Beyond its primary function of starting your engine, the device serves as a heavy-duty power bank with dual USB ports, allowing you to keep your laptops, tablets, and smartphones charged during long family road trips. Its integrated 400-lumen LED light is remarkably bright, offering 48 hours of continuous illumination through several modes like SOS and strobe for nighttime safety. The compact, lightweight build ensures it fits perfectly in your glove box or door pocket, while the included carrying case keeps all the smart cables organized and ready for any roadside crisis. This robust unit is also designed to be spark-proof, giving you absolute peace of mind every time you pop the hood. Next up, our second product, the Gulu A3 Jump Starter. This versatile 5-in-1 device is essentially a mobile workshop in a box, offering 3000 amps of peak current to wake up even the most stubborn 12V batteries. It is ruggedly designed to operate flawlessly in brutal temperatures ranging from -4 to 140 degrees, ensuring reliability whether you are caught in a mountain blizzard or stuck in desert heat. What truly sets it apart is the high-performance integrated tire inflator that can top off a Tesla Model tire in just 60 seconds with its impressive 150 psi capacity and 35 per minute airflow. The smart LED interface simplifies the entire process, showing real-time pressure readings and battery life, while the automatic shut-off feature prevents any accidental overinflation of your tires or sports equipment. You also get a portable power bank and emergency lighting, all protected by 10 layers of advanced safety circuitry to prevent short circuits. It's a comprehensive travel companion that guarantees you'll never be stranded with a flat tire or a dead engine again, making it perfect for adventurous travelers. Coming in at number 3, the PowerRun P1 Jump Starter. This incredibly robust unit is engineered to survive the toughest conditions on the road, featuring a rugged IP65 rated housing that makes it waterproof, dustproof, and virtually shatterproof for maximum longevity. With 2000 amps of peak current at your disposal, it can easily jumpstart 8.0-liter gasoline or 6.5-liter diesel engines even when the voltage has dropped into critical levels below 9 volts. The specialized boost button is a standout feature, providing an extra surge of energy to overcome batteries that are nearly completely drained or chemically aged. It functions beautifully as a 3-in-1 road trip kit, incorporating a quick charge 3.0 power bank and a multi-mode LED emergency lamp with a dedicated red light mode for roadside signaling. The intelligent buzzer system provides audible alerts if you make a connection mistake, ensuring that even first-time users can operate it with absolute confidence and safety. This all-inclusive package comes with a premium storage case and heavy-duty cables that remain flexible and easy to handle even in freezing winter temperatures. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the PowerRun P1 Jump Starter. This powerful emergency device is a masterpiece of safety and efficiency, utilizing 8 distinct protection systems to keep both you and your vehicle's sensitive electronics safe from harm. The integrated digital LCD screen is bright and easy to read even in direct sunlight, providing real-time feedback on your battery percentage and output levels so there is never any guesswork involved. Whether you are driving a standard car, a motorcycle, or a large RV, the 2000 amp peak current provides enough muscle to get you back on the road in just a few seconds. It is designed specifically for the modern traveler, featuring fast-charging USB outputs and a Type-C input that can keep your mobile devices topped up while you are camping or away from a power outlet. The heavy-duty jumper cables are built with thick insulation to prevent overheating during high current draws, while the entire unit remains compact enough to store easily under a seat. With its 2-year support and rugged construction, it serves as a dependable insurance policy for every journey you take, no matter how far. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Wolfbox Megavolt 24 Jump Starter. Boasting a staggering 24,000 mAh battery capacity and 4,000 amps of peak power, this heavy-duty beast is designed to handle massive gasoline and diesel engines up to 10 liters with ease. The inclusion of a 65W USB-C quick charging port means this device recharges itself fully in a lightning-fast 1.3 hours, which is significantly quicker than most other high-capacity competitors in its class. Its high-definition LCD screen provides crystal-clear status updates and functional indicators, so you always know exactly how much juice is left for your laptop, tablet, or vehicle. The unit is built with IP64 protection and multiple safety certifications, making it resistant to dust and water splashes during outdoor adventures or rainy roadside emergencies. Safety is a top priority, evidenced by its spark-proof technology and a one-touch boost function for batteries that have completely bottomed out. It is the ideal high-performance solution for enthusiasts who demand professional-grade power, rapid charging speeds, and heavy-duty reliability for their large trucks, boats, or agricultural equipment during critical situations. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.